Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about what not to wear to a modeling audition. Hey guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling. Let's jump right into this one. The very first no-no in a modeling audition is colorful clothing. So you see I'm wearing a black top here and I have this white top here. I would exchange this for something dark. So you want to have something completely dark, dark top and dark pants. This is important because this makes everyone look the same, so they're able to judge on just what your talents are and what you're doing, kind of break you down into a raw source as they're reviewing for the auditions. The next one is do not wear a bunch of jewelry and a bunch of accessories. So don't show up with a scarf and big giant hoop earrings or a big fancy headband or anything like that, or a bunch of bracelets. Just as bare as you can. Just take off, your earrings and your watch and all that kind of stuff and bracelets beforehand. It's going to be a lot easier for you, and you don't have to worry about thinking about anything like that. The next one is heavy makeup. So many times models show up to a casting or an audition and they've got gobs and gobs of makeup on. And I get it if you're insecure about, hey, I got this horrible zit and I'm trying to cover it up, or you had, a breakout of some sort or a rash. It's okay, and we understand, and it's something that we know that can be covered up later. I don't need you to cover it up now, so don't stress about that. Just come and show them who you are and what you can do. All right, and then the very last thing is just showing up in flats and not bringing a pair of heels with you. Heels is the key. We need to see that you can walk in heels, so you're gonna have to bring a pair with you. And if you can't walk in heels, take a look at some of the videos that we have here on the channel on how to learn how to walk in heels. That's really gonna help you guys out before you get to a casting or an audition, and that way you'll at least have practiced beforehand and then show up with a pair that you've practiced with, and you're gonna be doing just fine. So hopefully these tips will help you out on your next casting or audition. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share the video. We'll see you soon.